Para po ito sa mga kababayan natin na malapit nang pumunta at wala pa pong idea dito sa bansang Lithuania. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you the 5 basic common facts here in Lithuania. Kaya naman, panoorin mo ito. Hey everyone, mga gwapo and gwapa, welcome back. If you're new, this is Inday Gwapa making informative videos regarding my journey here in Lithuania. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you the 5 basic common facts here in Lithuania. So ito po yung pinaka-basic lang po talaga ng mga information about dito sa bansang Lithuania. So disclaimer lamang po guys, para po ito sa mga newbie or baguhan na wala pa pong idea kung ano nga ba ang sitwasyon dito sa bansang Lithuania. Okay, so let's start. So first, Lithuania is located in northeastern Europe and one of the largest in 3 Baltic states. It is bounded by Latvia north and Belarus to the east and south Poland, and the detached of Russian Oblast of Kaliningrad to the southwest and Baltic Sea to the west. So this is the Lithuanian flag, and the top po ng color niya is yellow, next is green and red. And the capital city is Vilnius. And yes, Lithuania is one of the cheaper country when it comes of cost living comparing to other countries here in Europe. So second is the currency here in Lithuania. So ang pera pong ginagamit dito sa bansang Lithuania is euro, okay? But before guys, ang kanila pong gamit na pera last December 2014 is litas. Ayan po guys, okay? And then, pinalitan po siya last January 2015 ng euro. So, ito po yung pera nila before at pera po nila ngayon. Okay? From litas to euro. Okay? So, third, ano nga ba ang ginagamit nilang language dito sa bansang Lithuania? So, of course, Lithuanian. Okay? So, Lithuanian is an East Baltic language. So, ito po ang special language nila dito sa bansang Lithuania. And take note guys, linguists value it as a living fossil because it preserves an ancient Indo-European sounds. Okay? Pero ang pinakamahalagang tanong, nakakaintindi ba sila ng salitang Ingles? At ang sagot naman po ay yes. Okay? So wag po kayong mag-alala guys, pwede po kayong magsalita ng English or English words dito sa bansang Lithuania. At konting paalala lang po guys, more on mga younger generations po guys ang mas nakakapag-communicate ng English words guys. Okay, so based on my experience kasi guys sa trabaho, yung mga old ones is more on Lithuanian and Russian words talaga sila guys. Pero meron din naman pong mga iilan na nakakapagsalita ng English words. Okay, and the fourth one is weather. So, dito na po tayo sa pang-apat, okay? Sa weather po, guys. Mahalaga po ito, guys, na malaman nyo, okay? So, ang summer po dito, guys, is around June to August. And then, yung autumn naman, which is yung taglagas kung tawagin sa atin, is from September to November, okay? And then, next po is winter. So, ito po yung nag-uulan na ng snow. So, from December to February, okay? And then last po guys is yung spring o yung tagsibol. Okay, so dito guys sumisibol na yung mga halaman, unti-unti nang namumulaklak or bumubuka na yung mga flowers. So ito po guys is spring. So ito naman guys is from month of March to May. Okay, so ito po guys ang information. At kung sakaling pupunta po kayo sa bansang Lithuania ng ganyang mga buwan, so kailangang i-prepare nyo na po yung mga damit nyo. Okay? So, for example, kung pupunta ka ng around December, so, syempre, ang mga mostly na dadalhin mo is mga jacket. Okay? Dahil taglamig na po iyan, guys. Okay? So, sundan nyo na lang po, guys, ang ating weather information. Alright? And last but not the least, ang panglima po is people in Lithuania. So, dito guys, ano nga ba yung naging impression ko sa mga tao dito sa bansang Lithuania? Okay? So, people in Lithuania are very quiet and reserved sa mga strangers. So, ibig sabihin guys, hindi yan sila palabate, hindi yan sila palangiti, kumbaga hindi sila friendly pagdating sa strangers. Unlike po sa mga Pinoy, laging nakangiti, friendly, laging binabate kahit hindi nila kakilala. Ayan, so ibahin nyo po yung mga tao dito sa bansang Lithuania. Okay, so seryoso yan sila guys. Kumbaga sa atin is suplado. Ayan, suplado yan sila. But, if you have, na-close mo na yan sila, or nagkaroon ka ng genuinely attached sa kanila, people in Lithuania are very kind and warm once you get to know them. Okay? And that's it for this video guys. Naway nakatulong ang munting video nito, especially po sa mga baguhan natin or newbie na papunta pa lang dito sa bansang Lithuania. Hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my video. This is Inday Guapa always saying, if you have a dream, there to make it happen. By the grace of God. Bye!
Thank you all for watching.